In this video, I will show you how to create logo using AI for free. Open your browser and search ideogram.ai. Create an account through Gmail. Select the checkbox and click the Continue button. Enter a unique username for your account and click the Complete Registration button. Once the creation is done, you will be brought to the Indeer homepage. After coming here, you will see unlimited images and logo creation. You can customize them if you want. Type prompt here. Now select Logo Style. Select Aspect Ratio. Once done, click on Generate button. Wait a few seconds now. Check the result. Hit the download button. Make another prompt. Check the result. I have taken a screenshot of my channel for making a sample. Thanks for watching.